From Te Waka to Moana to me, Olivia Foa'i. This is my journey. Welcome to my world.
What they don't know might be about to hurt them. You can warn them, but they probably won't listen.
I think I was freshly 2 years old when Mom and Dad started touring. They went on I think it was a 5 or 6 month tour of Europe. Yeah, I was just a toddler, and I was like, well, they're performing, so why am I backstage? So when I was 2, I jumped on stage and I just started dancing. We did a lot of touring in the early days, all the way up through my teen years into now, really. It's apparently not your average upbringing. To me, it was normal.
You can't find happiness right where you are. We make our nets from the fire.
It was 2013 when Dad signed on as the songwriter for Moana, along with Lin-Manuel. I was the nearest singer to Dad, so he was just like, hey, Liv, come in the studio, you know, sing the demos. So I had the best times of my life. Definitely very proud of my family. I'm very lucky because, you know, we make a good team. Dad, he's a genius. I don't know how else to put it. It's a great apprenticeship for me, you know, to be able to work with him. It's just so cool to see him take his take on, you know, the Pacific culture and music and just see him spread it all over the world. I'm super lucky. I'm super lucky with my family. I do contemporary Polynesian dance. I've been exposed to so many different styles, and I love choreographing. It comes out as such a mix, and it's so much fun because to me, I'm really telling a story.
With the brain, 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 brain. They would just did what you probably can't. Tomorrow we conquering impossible.
I've had some really cool responses. Oh, my favorite is people tagging somebody else and being like, girl, we got to get back into dancing. I'm like, yes! It's so exciting to me that people see my stuff and they're like excited to create and choreograph and dance again, you know, because a lot of people like danced back when they were younger and they kind of just stopped. But as Polynesians, when we dance, it gives you a lot of identity, and it feels really good to be connected to your culture. I'm so lucky to have this upbringing in the band Te Waka. But what a lot of people don't know is that I've been writing pop, singer-songwriter style, R&B, a little bit of folk as well. Because we kind of have this little break at the moment, I've had a chance to step out into my own original music.
They tryna take the throne, they tryna take the crown, but they don't know the city has your name on it.
My family, they knew this day would come. My dad, on most occasions, will refuse to sing in English, anything other than Polynesian music he's not into. So yeah, when I was like, hey Dad, this is my song, it's probably one of the most nerve-wracking moments of my life. You know, he seemed a little bit disappointed, I'm not gonna lie, but then he was excited, which got me really excited because he was inspired to help me, which was a big deal. City Got Your Name on It. To me, it's like a hype song. It doesn't sound like a hype song, but if you listen to the lyrics, it's super chill, but it's just like really just hyping you and your team up and your partner, and just like, City's got our name on it. Well, City's got your name on it. You know, you got this, I got your back, and we can do anything. It's that kind of vibe, but it sounds so chill. It's fun. Anyone who has, you know, who has seen my videos, my dance videos, or has, you know, followed Te Waka, who wants to pursue a similar type thing, there are opportunities everywhere. Just go for it and just make sure it feels honest to you. Although I'm venturing out into R&B, I'm never going to stop dancing. I'm always going to be singing in, you know, Tokelauan, Tuvalu, and Samoan. So if you can, stay connected with your culture because it gives you so much identity, and it's something that we can be very proud of.